For any of y'all who wanted to know what trench foot looked like, it looks a little bit like this when it's starting out. So given how my shoes worked out today, I'm thinking two things. One is that I need to wear more socks or better socks because my feet are going to be wet all day from just sweat. And this is going to be happening day in and day out. I've already started to get symptoms of trench foot, which is painful and sucks. It's not just wet, wrinkly feet. Like, this shit hurts. Can't lie about it. So that's one thing, is the socks. The second thing is walking around in these bad boys, even with the insoles that I have that I brought, is not comfortable. The standard issue boots, I've been told a lot of people have quit because of when they start off work because they're not expecting it to be so painful. Definitely a bit of a wake-up call on the boots today. And I think I'm going to put some money into getting myself a pair of muck boots that will be more comfortable. I plan on using them for a long time. I plan on using them when I go onto a boat, hopefully at the end of this herring season. So I think the boots are going to be a good move.